Hello and welcome to my weekly bench update. We're talking about what's going on in the shop. We have a current build and an upcoming build. We'll talk about the upcoming build, and that is the scale build of Gentleman hosted by Paul over at Styrene Relics. And this is my entry choice, the 34 Ford pickup 3-in-1 from AMT. Kind of discuss what my plans were. I think I'm gonna lop the top off, cut down the windshield, and kind of go from there. Hopefully everything I have planned can work out. This kit is a new unstarted kit. I haven't even done any mock-up to see if I can pull off what I want to pull off or what I can and can't do yet. And because of that, I have a audible or kit number 2 here. If I don't think the Ford's going to work out for me, we'll go to the Chevy. But I think the Ford's going to be just fine for this. And my car number is car number 3, so we are doing it for Dale. And I look forward to seeing what all the other racers put together. And moving on, we have the Mad Gasser 54 Chevy panel. We're still in plastic, as I haven't been able to get the wheel wells done yet. I guess we'll kind of talk about why. Doing a lot of mock-up on and off with the tires and wheels. Ended up breaking both ends of the axle off. So that put me back a day or two. As you can see now, we have a brass rod running all the way through. Give us some good support, and then we can get going on that. But the bodywork I have done, I did clean up these holes here. You can see that went way up into that window area. Got that cleaned up, as well as along this front. I did some filling to make sure that the hood opening turned out all right. Got all my seams worked down, everything flattened out. Again, just need to clean up the wheel wells, make sure we got enough tire clearance there, and we get into primer, and then onto paint. Again, here's the frame. Got a little bit of work done. Got all the axles on, got a little paint work there. And some other paint work is the engine. We decided to go with a red, white, and blue theme. We're going to kind of have a military theme with the drill sergeant livery, which is green and silver on the outside. So I figured, why not? Let's go red, white, and blue under the hood, because America. And kind of go along with that military, we'll keep with some lighter earth tones on the inside. Got kind of a medium brown there, or flat dark earth. Got a little start on our wood bed floor for the rear, and then the other interior colors, a little lighter tan to go along with that other brown. Still have some work to do on the door panels. I think I'm going to go with either a black or a silver in that filler panel there. I might wait until I get the color on the body to see what's going to look best with that. And this, I've got ejector pins kind of cleaned up, trademarks off of there. We're in primer, so we'll be able to finish prime that and get it, probably be just an aluminum color we'll go with for the floor pan. Is a race car, and we got a couple of things painted over here. The grill and bumpers done up in a like metallic gunmetal color. Again, got rid of the chrome, but we are still a gasser, so we're going to be flashy with it. And with that, I think that is a pretty good recap of what we got going on and where we're headed. So with that, thanks for watching.